In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design sports jersey in Canva. We'll build a clean, professional jersey mock-up using Canva's frames and a few simple edits so you can visualize your design quickly and clearly. Start by opening a t-shirt design template in Canva. Using a template gives you the right canvas size and an organized layout to work on. Once your page is open, head over to the Elements panel on the left. In the search bar, type Shirt Mockup. You'll see a variety of options, including frames. Choose the t-shirt frame so your artwork can sit inside it realistically. Drag the frame onto your canvas, then resize it by pulling the corner handles until it fills your workspace nicely. Reposition it to the center so you have even margins around the jersey. This keeps everything balanced as you add details. Next, go to Uploads on the left sidebar. Bring in your jersey design image, then drag and drop it directly into the t-shirt frame. It should snap into place. If the fit isn't perfect, double-click the frame to edit the image inside. Move it around, scale it up or down, and use the rotate handle to align stripes or edges with the shirt's contours. When you're happy with the placement, click Done to lock it in. Now let's add branding. Go back to Elements and type Jersey Logo in the search bar. Click See All to browse a fuller selection. Pick a logo graphic that complements your style, whether it's modern, classic, or bold. Drop it onto the jersey, resize it to a realistic scale, and use the color picker at the top to match your team palette. Place it where it makes sense, typically the left or right chest, using Canva's smart guides to keep things aligned. Return to Elements to add additional logos if needed, such as sponsors or secondary marks. Keep each one consistent. Resize to similar proportions. Adjust colors to your scheme and position them where they fit best, like the opposite chest, sleeves, or lower front. Aim for clear hierarchy and breathing room so the design doesn't feel crowded. If something feels off, nudge Elements with your arrow keys for precise positioning and use consistent spacing to keep the layout clean. That's the full process. Set up a t-shirt frame, place your jersey artwork, fine-tune the image inside, and layer in logos with thoughtful sizing, color, and placement. With these steps, you can create a polished sports jersey mock-up in minutes and confidently present your concept.